A baccalaureate degree allows you the opportunity, because of the broad education, not only the liberal arts education that students get, but they also get experience in research and evidence-based practice. They get community-based nursing, which isn't available in the associate degree program. So those things well round them, but a bachelor's degree is always going to be the preferred method of entry because that's what's necessary in hospitals these days.
I think the Franciscan values align pretty much with just morality in general, and I think as you become a nurse, that's extremely important. To value, life and to have respect for people is important, and as you're caring for them in their worst of times, that's probably the biggest time that they need somebody to value them, to feel value when they're at their most vulnerable.
I decided to go into the healthcare field because I've always been fascinated with the human body, and I thought nursing will allow me to get into different areas like heart, lungs, ICUs, ER, so it kind of has a lot of flexibility and diversity.
I feel like I get personal attention at St. Francis. The reason I feel like this is because the class sizes are so small. You can just set up a meeting with your teacher after class, or you can just come up to them after class and talk to them right away.
Because the BSN program is a 4-year program, there are more courses, and I can become a nurse with a 2-year degree, but with the BSN degree, I get more clinical practice and knowledge, and within 4 years I believe that I can acquire the necessary skills and knowledge that I need to become the best nurse.
Our students get plenty of experience with hands-on opportunities in the community. The clinical facilities here in Fort Wayne know and respect and appreciate our graduates, and so they're highly sought after while they're in school to get those experiences in the actual clinical setting.
The BSN students here at University of St. Francis average about 900 plus clinical hours during their time here. Those are actual patient care hours. In addition to that, they attend and participate in over 15 different simulated clinical experiences in our high-fidelity sim lab.
It's a safe learning environment full of human patient simulators that have physiology that replicate real-life situations like a heart attack or an asthma attack.
I feel like the simulation lab has helped me tremendously. It's kind of given me an idea of what to expect, and it's okay to make mistakes. Actually, they encourage you to make mistakes. They don't want you to be perfect because you don't learn if you don't make mistakes.